Hey, it is. I don't actually know what day it is. What day is it? Oh, it's the 8th
of January.
Yeah, that's right. January 8th. I'm back home after a day of work, and I'm hanging out with what we're gonna now know as the cough party. Andrew and Sarah.
Hi.
We are the 3 founding members of the cough party, right?
Yeah. I was really coughing. I don't know about you.
I wasn't until you started coughing. There we go. What a great party, guys. What a great party. But Andrew is cooking, and it probably smells delicious if my congestion would allow me to have such things as
It's
scent.
not ideal, but it'll do.
You can definitely tell there's adobo in it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to throw it
And
out?
we're also going to eat
It's too much.
a king cake. I had guests on tour from from Baton Rouge technically, and they sent me a king cake, and so we're gonna eat that too. It's gonna be great. Look, Andrew
Sorry,
made
Katie.
food. If Megan is watching this vlog, she's trying to skip this part. She doesn't like videos of food. The time has come to open the king cake. Oh. Hang on. There we go. Ooh, look at it. It's so pretty. It's sealed in there. And it comes with a king cakes cup with some beads and info on their recipe. Awesome. It looks real good. I'm excited about it. I'm gonna cut it open and then we're gonna have some. Alright, Andrew cut the king cake. This is what I'm taking over to Ginger and Tracy and Mike. We don't know who has the baby, but Andrew, I believe, has the best chance. Sarah's got a nice slice, and I've got a nice slice. And Sarah's never had king cake before, so I'm gonna make her try it and tell you what she thinks.
Oh God.
What do you think, Sarah? Do you like it?
It's good.
Andrew, how does it compare to other king cakes you've had in your
Hang
life?
on. You shouldn't have the trash in the video. Pretty good.
Alright, I'm gonna have some too. Oh, look, it's a... No, I'm kidding. But what if it was the baby? What if I just took one bite and there was the baby?
Well, you already bought king cakes. No, you didn't. You gotta give it
No,
to
I
me.
got it as a gift.
Aiko.
It's pretty good. Yum. Yeah, so cleaning, king cake, and that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.